In this video, you're going to learn how to change or select a new page that you've created to be your landing page for your website. Starting from the main dashboard, you're going to go ahead and select whichever website you would like to change the landing page for, and you're going to want to click Update or change your domain name, right? There's this little edit icon next to your website. Go ahead and click on that. In this case, we're going to be selecting ra.com. And here you'll have the ability to enter a new URL, update the URL, but what we want to focus on is choosing the landing page. So go ahead and click that drop-down menu. And let's say we really customize the testimonial page and we want that to be where we send traffic whenever they go to this URL. So we can go ahead, select the testimonial page and click Change URL. After clicking Change URL, you've successfully made that change, and the new landing page of your website will be whatever page you selected.